Friends, in this lecture we learned NPER. NPER calculates the number of years or periods for an investment, and it calculates that how much time will it take to reach to a certain point of investment with a certain amount of interest. That means it helps you in identifying that how many years or time will it take your investment to reach a certain goal. Here in our example we said there is an investment of 574 every year and the interest rate is 8%. So how much time it will take to this amount to get accumulated to 500,000? Let us try it out. We'll write down rate is equal to 8%. Payment made each period is 5724. We'll write down minus 5724 because we are paying this amount. Then present value is 0. Future value shall be equal to 500,000. Type is, let us say, 0 because it says how many years will it take to earning this amount. It is most probably in the end of the period you will getting the interest. Let us say 0. So we will calculate using NPER equal to NPER bracket open. NPER, as our previous experiences, it is again made up of 5 components you can see on the screen. First is the rate. We'll select our rate and then comma, then PMT, then comma, present value, comma, future value, comma, type, and the answer is 27.003. That means the 5724 every year investment will take around 27 years, and then after 27 years it will get converted to around 5 lakh rupees. Let us look our second example also. In this second example, it is saying that the investment is of 5 lakh or 500,000 and interest rate is 6.95%. So this amount will get double in how many years? This is what you want to anticipate. So let us try it out. Our rate is 6.95%. Payment made each period, we haven't made any payment, it is 0. Present value is minus 500,000 or 5 lakh. Future value shall be, we expect, is equal to 10 lakh, and type is 0, let us say here. So what will be number of period that it will take 500,000 to convert to 10,000 or 5 lakh to 10 lakh? Formula is NPER. We want to find out how many years it will take. Our rate is 6.95, comma, payment made each period is 0, comma, present value this, comma, future value, comma, type is 0. One thing I would like to mention here, make sure of putting a minus sign. If you do not put a minus sign, you will either get a wrong answer or you will not get any answer in case of NPER. So it will take approximately 10.3 years to get this amount to its double.